Alright guys, we're going to be talking about ticker FCEL, or FCEL as I like to call it. And as you can see here, there was a big drop that's ultimately due to the stock offering. But here's the kicker to that, guys. I mean, honestly, I have to go back. I don't know the numbers specifically off the top of my head. But as far as the float size go, I mean, you take a look here. Shares outstanding, 294.7 million. And the offering was for around 30 million shares, I believe. I want to double check that too, just because I don't want to be giving bad information. And where do we have it? Here we go. 34.5 million shares. Excuse me. That's why I wanted to double check. Anyway, point being, many of you probably do know if you've been on the board for a while, if you've done any research in the company, the CEO, Mr. Few, has a substantial bonus, I think in the millions, if the stock price holds above $6 for a year. Now, think about this. If you were the CEO of a company and you were going to get millions of dollars if their stock price held above $6, why would you want to jeopardize that with an offering? I mean, ultimately, you might have to, but I think the cool thing here is how strategic this dude planned this out. I mean, honestly, to do that offering at $6.50, he knows that price is going to hold above $6.50. I mean, this thing was trading like below $2 just a month ago. And so an offering at $6.50, guys, that's a good thing, personally, in my opinion. So, anyway, I usually do technical analysis videos. Honestly, that's really kind of what I was trying to get the word out on that. Technical-wise, I mean, even on the day, it is flagging right there. As you can see on the 5-minute chart, and what I'm talking about here is the flagpole, and that is the flag. And that is, kind of terrible as far as drawings go, but, you get the idea. Little wedge there. Maybe that looks a little bit nicer. However you want to look at it, visualize that. Definitely see a breakout coming. It looks like the flagpole started at 660. Generally with the bull flag, it's going to be the breakout. It's going to be the length of the flagpole. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're looking about probably a pop to $8 here. Coming pretty soon if this can hold up. But anyway, as far as that goes, I just wanted to shed some light on that and just give my opinion on the situation, because I know a lot of people are probably freaking out. They bought well above what it's trading at right now, and I just want to say, don't panic sell. In my opinion, I wouldn't. I mean, as you can see, MACD is starting to go flat as far as not getting more red, and RSI is curling up. So we could definitely see a strong bounce here going forward. I'm definitely going to keep this one on watch. I've already flipped it a couple times this morning on this dip, and as of right now, it's looking like possible re-entry. But anyway, we're talking about all this and more in my Discord server. If you want, you can hop in and chat with us and ask questions. And, everyone's there to help, be helpful. It's totally free. You don't have to worry about paying anything. Honestly, I'm never going to charge anything for my Discord server. So, I mean, you can come in. I know a lot of groups, honestly, they'll get you in, they'll pull you in. It's all free. And then they're like, hey, I want some money now. But that's not how I'm operating, honestly. I just going to give back. Trading is really greedy. It's a very greedy thing, and I'm trying to work on that greed. And I think balancing it out and, kind of teaching people what I know about the market, which I'm not the best trader in the world, but I'm certainly not the worst either. So, I've been around a bit, and I know a thing or two, and I definitely got something to pass on to you guys. So if you want, check it out. It's totally free. What you do with the information is totally on you, and, no pressure to join or anything. And like I said, I'm not trying to make money off you guys or anything, nothing like that. Just love chatting, love helping people talk about stocks. That's honestly what I'm trying to do here. So, just feel free to stop by, check us out.